To start a new xlwings project, you'd often do a simple xlwings quickstart and then the name of the project. This will create a folder here with the Python source code and a macro-enabled Excel file. Traditionally, you would then add a button here which connects to the sample call, which was created by the quickstart action, and then you can run the code behind it, which in this case is this Python function over here. Recently, however, we have added a new run main button here in the add-in, which will automatically run a function called main in your source code. So instead of running the code from this button here, I can also just simply click on Run Main. The best part about this though is that this allows you to get rid of your VBA module. So if you click Alt F11, you will see that the quickstart action actually automatically added this VBA sample function which calls the run Python call here. Now, by saving our file as a standard xlsx file and confirming here, then let's just make sure that we open it again and verify that the VBA module has gone. So you can see here the module is gone, but when I now click on the Run Main button again, then the call runs nevertheless, and so we can do some changes here and again click on the Run Main button call here to get the updated return value.